Hey friends, welcome to another quick review. I'm checking out this Comica Vimo Q 4-channel mini wireless microphones. This case is actually a charger as well, so this can charge all your batteries or all your microphones right here, and this comes with a little receiver. This is plugged into my phone right now. I'm using it. Plug it into your PC too as well. My old Comica stuff finally, my cat came and sabotaged it, so I had to upgrade and check that out. Really nice. You're listening to one right now. I have it clipped onto my shirt here. Super good quality. I'm really impressed with it. I've been using Comica for a long time now, and it was time for an upgrade. So as you can hear in the quality of this video, these things are really impressive. Also come with little air filters, 4 of them, and a couple of audio hookups as well if you use a camera. Really nice product, my friends. Super impressed with this. Easy to work with. Check out the display on there. It tells you all your things that are charging and different things like that. Battery, volume, anything like that. So easy to monitor and hook it up. It's really sophisticated. It can do a lot more than I would normally use it for. But very nice microphones, my friends. Thanks so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.